직접
Raw material enters the designated unprocessed produce zone.
Pallets are staged in first-in, first-out order to maintain freshness.
Documentation confirms farm origin and pesticide compliance. Soluble solids help confirm crop maturity and consistency.
Temperature confirms the cold chain remained intact.
Suspect lots remain separated until disposition is decided. Equipment sanitation is verified before starting product flow.
The raw feed hopper is sanitized and ready for loading.
Raw lettuce is positioned for controlled feeding. Raw lettuce enters the processing line. Conveyors move produce steadily toward pre-cleaning.
Pre-screening removes dirt before washing.
Produce moves toward the first wash stage. Water agitation loosens soil from leaf surfaces. Continuous flow washing ensures uniform cleaning. Air bubbles lift leaves and release trapped dirt without damaging the structure. Operators confirm sanitizer concentration stays within safe limits. A second stage rinse removes sanitizer residues. Clean water rinses away remaining soil and sanitizer. Spray rinsing improves removal of remaining particles. Belt lifts washed lettuce out of the flume.
Perforated belts remove excess wash water. Air knives remove surface moisture before inspection.
Airflow verified.
Clean produce enters manual and optical inspection. Defective produce is segregated to protect product quality.
Vision systems detect discoloration or foreign material.
Automated jets remove detected defects instantly. Clean lettuce advances to trimming preparation. Trimmed plant fiber is separated for later drying.
Leaves move toward mechanical size reduction.
Cutting increases surface area for extraction. Prepared pieces feed the grinding stage. Grinding breaks plant structure to release pulp. The mash is transferred immediately for pulping. The pulper separates soft pulp from coarse fiber. Coarse plant fiber is separated for drying and milling. Finisher refines pulp texture before further processing. The finisher removes coarse particles to create uniform vegetable pulp. Flow meters confirm consistent pulp movement through the sanitary line. Fine sieving improves texture and removes residual fibers. Remaining solids join the fiber byproduct stream.
Sight glasses allow operators to visually confirm smooth pulp flow.
Level sensors help regulate pump flow. Pumps move the pulp toward formulation. Blending tanks allow precise control of product specifications.
Mixing ensures uniform
Protects flavor and quality. Operators confirm pulp temperature before aseptic handling. Microsample taken. Traceability links each sample to its batch. Storage tanks maintain sterile conditions before filling.
Sterile filters prevent airborne contamination.
Stable pressure protects sterile integrity.
Sterile transfer lines carry product to packaging. Empty sterile drums are aligned for filling. Sterile connectors maintain aseptic integrity during filling. Sterile puree fills the drum without exposure to air. Controlled flow prevents foam and maintains sterile conditions. The outer drum protects the sterile liner. The lid seal protects the liner during transport. Coating ensures traceability for every container.
Each drum is verified for correct fill weight.
Vision systems verify closure integrity. Approved containers move to palletizing. Automated handling improves safety and efficiency. Drums are arranged in stable pallet patterns.
Proper stacking ensures safe transport.
Wrapping stabilizes drums for shipment.
Finished pallets move toward warehouse storage. Inventory records confirm storage and readiness. Processing wastewater is treated separately from product lines. Flotation removes suspended solids before biological treatment.
Microorganisms break down remaining organic matter.
Solid waste is removed for proper disposal. Orders trigger pallet retrieval for shipment.
Pallets are staged for truck loading.
The processed lettuce puree is now